This week's AI stories highlight how intelligence is reshaping connection, exploration, and everyday service work. From online communities to deep space autonomy to coffee shops trying to regain their human touch, these headlines show where AI is being quietly woven into daily life. First, a new social network called Moltbook is experimenting with a platform where AI personas play a central role. According to reports, Moltbook allows users to interact with AI-generated profiles that can post, respond, and engage alongside humans. The concept blurs the line between social connection and simulation. For users, it raises questions about authenticity and trust in online spaces. For the tech industry, it signals a possible shift towards social platforms where AI participation is native rather than supplemental. Next, NASA's Perseverance rover has completed its first AI-planned drive on Mars. Instead of relying solely on instructions from Earth, the rover used onboard artificial intelligence to analyze terrain and choose its own path in real time. This achievement reduces delays caused by distance and allows the rover to operate more efficiently in extreme environments. For space exploration, it marks a major step toward autonomous scientific discovery. For AI development, it demonstrates how intelligent systems can extend human reach far beyond our physical limits. Finally, Starbucks is betting on robots and AI systems to help revive customer growth and improve store operations. At some locations, AI-powered systems are taking drive-through orders, assisting baristas with recipes and scheduling, and using computer vision to manage inventory. The company says the goal is to reduce friction for staff and customers while restoring a more personal, community-focused experience. For retailers, Starbucks' approach highlights a key tension, using automation to improve efficiency while preserving human connection at the front counter. Together, these stories show how AI is moving into social spaces, remote exploration, and service work. Its impact depends less on raw capability and more on how thoughtfully it is applied. At Twin Protocol, we believe intelligence should support people, not replace them. That is why we build AI twins and secure vaults designed to preserve agency, trust, and human intent as AI becomes more present in everyday life. This week's AI stories highlight how intelligence is reshaping connection, exploration, and everyday service work. From online communities to deep space autonomy to coffee shops trying to regain their human touch. These headlines show where AI is being quietly woven into daily life.